So, in other news, today is March 18th. Yep, it's Wednesday, March 18th. It's the last full day of winter for 2020 in the Northern Hemisphere. And actually, Friday, the 20th, will be the first full day of spring because the equinox, the spring equinox, sometimes called the March equinox, is actually the 19th, which hasn't happened since 1896. It starts late. It's 11:50 p.m. Eastern time. Eastern time zone, I should say. So there you have it. 124 years, and that's fact. I'll put the link down there to this Farmer's Almanac to verify what I'm saying, but that's fact. Equinox, by the way, means equal nights and days, pretty much all across the world. So it's equal night and days across the globe because that's when the sun pretty much rises up almost parallel to the equator. And there you have it. It just happens to happen on the 19th this year. So again, today, last full day of winter, and Friday's the first full day of spring, and tomorrow the 19th is the equinox. Yep, if you're new, like, sub, whatever, you can, you can't. This is Small Space Gardening, Jules Gardening, all about small space gardening.